of urgency, 'cause I've got to be free, free to face a life that's ahead of me. On board, I'm the captain, so climb aboard. We'll search for tomorrow on every shore, and I'll try, oh Lord, I'll try to carry on. Reflections in the waves spark my memory. Some happy, some sad. I think of childhood friends and the dreams we had. We lived happily forever, so the story goes. But somehow we missed out on the pot of gold. But we'll try best that we can to carry on.
Gathering of angels appeared above my head. eat inside, but I think we'd just be happy eating outside. As long as it's in the shade, there's a little breeze. She's got, looks like it's going to be hot down in her little basement. And unhappy outside in her little picnic table. And label, that's a skiff.
It's like that tight embouchure that you have with a flute. Yeah. You want to have a tight.
Okay, have a drink of that, then blow again.
It's like you've seen people who don't play flute pick up the flute and try to play. That's right. I was a trumpeter as a Boy Scout.
Okay, do it again. You're on video now. Come on, show her how it's done.
Oh yeah, you got this.
He actually knows.
Yeah, he does.
Beautiful, 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 silky, smooth.
Yeah, really. My secret skills come out. What can I tell you? I sit at home and practice alone a lot.
Clearly, it has to do with the, all the instruments.
All right, yeah, there maybe. 6:30?
Huh?
Okay, 6:30? Okay, we better go then.
It's only 6.
Oh, okay, then we not better go then.
I'm right.
Okay,
I don't know if I can do it again.
camera's on now, Beck. Oh man, I guess we shouldn't have stopped that first try.
Fire another drink.
Yep. Oh! I hear that train. I hear that train coming. She's coming
I
around.
do have wind.
I am a lucky, lucky guy. Huh? Huh?
That sucker.
Yeah.
I hope you
Yeah, see? She's going to bring in planes. Oh, sure, you get the head of the table.
Oh, I could trade you.
No, the person at the head pays.
Oh,
So
wow.
so you can have it. Hey,
Okay, runner sitting next to you anyhow.
Big drink,
yeah.
This big drink anyways. Look at that wimpy drink.
Okay, who's going to wash dishes when we're done? There, hey, chef. Right. Oh, look at this. Ooh, I get a preview.